Thanks for joining me for this video. My name is Wida. I have my hair in a burgundy Jamaican bounce hairstyle with a side partition. In this video, I will show you everything you need to know on how to install this hairstyle right from the comfort of your home. Let's get started. You will need a 10-inch Jamaican bounce Jumpy one curl. This is a synthetic crochet braid hair extension. I use 3-pack to cover my entire head. You will also need a crochet hook. First, I apply leave-in conditioner. Then, I partition my hair into left and right side to achieve my side part. I want to partition my hair into 11 rows from the front to the back. I then start braiding cornrows starting from top of my hair to the side of my head. Since my hair is long, I will have a tail at the side of my hair at the end of each row. I don't want to leave these tails hanging, so I tuck the tail of the preceding row to the next row so there's no free edge. I keep braiding towards the back. In the last one, I will have only one tail at the back of my head, which I deal with by using the crochet needle to tack it into the hair at the back of my hair. And then there is no hair tail visible. Next, I started installing my crochet hair extensions, starting from the back, moving row by row towards the front. I grab the needle, make sure the hook is open, pass through my braids. While the hook is still open, I install a strand of my hair into the hook. Close the hook, pull the hook back. You have two choices to form a knot. One, you could grab both ends of the strand, pull through the loop. Two, you could grab one end of the strand, pull through the loop, and form a knot. Repeat this procedure until all the strands are installed. The color, volume, and feel of this hair is so great. It looks very natural because it merges so well with my natural hair. It comes in 3 different colors, and so you can have versatility in colors. Hope you enjoyed the video and it was insightful. Please join the community by subscribing to my channel and hit the notification button. If you like this video, please hit the like button. The description has links to online stores where you can buy the products used in this video.